Sorry, I'm just setting it recording. Okay. No, don't do that.
Are you good on it?
My light is being shit. That's it. Got it. Okay. Yeah. No, my GoPro didn't want to start recording.
Is that alright?
I don't know, we'll find out. Ugh. You're right, mate. Right.
Is that the owls you keep hearing as well?
You all hear all sorts of wildlife when we're out here in the dark.
Very cool.
What? The entrance is over there.
Yeah.
Oh shit! Oh, hello. Here. Yeah. Stomp. Bit overgrown. This feels different. Dip. Yeah, right hand. Dip. I think I took a wrong turn there, but never mind. Oh, logs. And we're out, which seems, yeah. That seemed very different to the last time I did it. I mean, even in the dark, the route was, I don't know, somebody's been playing with it. There is another one like that further up here, isn't there?
The one with the dips in?
Yeah.
Yeah. You going for that one? There'll be puddles in the bottom. Prepare to get muddy.
Right, ish, and then left. All the stumps, hole. Alright, that's it. I'm going full potato.
We'll get there, there'll be a deer go. What do you want?
Have we gone the wrong way? Oh no. I think I know roughly where it is off the main drag. If we make our way back up there. Don't follow me, I haven't got a clue where I'm going. Great. Excellent. Hole again. Probably. It's like the Blair Witch Project, we'll be going past it again in a minute. We'll never get out. Log, tree, everything. I've got no clue. I did say not to follow me. Just making shit up as I go along.
Where are we going at this?
It's a magical mystery tour. Okay, right, we're kind of back towards civilization again. We'll go that way.
We'll go that way, then we come to the big track. I'll know where I am then.
Glad you do, mate. I'll tell you what, this is a damn sight easier in daylight.
It is.
Right, this one loops back round towards the entrance, doesn't it?
What we're looking for is a tree. Looking for a tree in the woods then? Yeah.
Oh, I don't know if we'll be able to find that.
Like this one here. Very line.
Turn in left. Right.
Now we're getting gold.
Right, dips. Oh, stop in. It's alright.
Another big hole. With water. Water has it.
Right, around the outside of it.
Around it. Right, ready. One more. More dip. Lovely dip.
Dippies. Whee! Oh shit! Oh, son of a bitch. I was very much in the wrong gear for that.
Stop it.
Stop in. Right, I'm at the edge of a dip, so
Is that a stop it?
I heard a whoa, 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 yeah.
Stop it.
Stopping.
Oh. Yeah, and when you do stop, don't put your foot in ants now.
I'll take that under advisement.
Oh, yeah.